The door check, red arrow, plastic trim cover, green arrow, and fasteners are all available as replacement parts. If you're reusing your fasteners, be sure to apply a little bit of Loctite to each of them. To begin, remove the door panel. Please use the link at the end of this video for additional assistance. Next, you have to detach the plastic trim cover, red arrow, pull it off the door and the door check and remove it. Then support the door in the open position. This can be done using a milk crate or an apple box. Next, remove the two E10 external torque fasteners as indicated by the red arrows. Working at the door jamb, remove the 10mm nuts, red arrows. Then remove the door check through the door cavity. Reach in behind the window motor, then angle the top of the door check mount, red arrow, towards the jamb. Then feed the bottom into the door. Remove the door check from above the window motor. Reverse these steps to install the new door check. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.